Hey guys, it's Margaret here, and I just thought I'd come on very quickly just to show you what I got in my Mecca Beauty Loot box. So I picked this up yesterday, and since last time I've moved up a level from level 1 to level 2, so hopefully the samples are a little bit better, but the level 1 samples were pretty good last time, so I'm sure it'll be great. So Mecca did release a YouTube video of a sneak peek of what each of the levels would be getting in their boxes, and they looked like some pretty good stuff. So when it came to the level 2 one, you'd be either getting a Lancome Genifique serum or a NARS Powermatte Pigment, and I was hoping I would get the NARS little liquid lipstick because that looked like a really cute sample size and the colour, and I'm lucky that I did get that. I've already had a look. So just inside you get the card with the little info sheet. The first one is just a sample sachet of the, what is this? The Lom Radiance Face Oil. So an intensely hydrating oil infused with nourishing ingredients including vitamin C and hemp oil to reveal a soft radiant complexion. Apply 2 to 3 drops to clean dry skin and gently press in. Okay, that's pretty good. Just one sachet sample in this pack, and I'm a huge fan of face oils, so I'll definitely give this a go. It's just going to be a little bit messy pouring it out of a sachet though. The next thing we have here, this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Exfoliating Moisturizer, and on the card it says this is a hard-working moisturizer, gently exfoliates and delivers 72 hours of hydration for smoother, brighter, more supple skin. Massage into clean, dry face, neck and décolleté. And this is a 4 ml sample, but it looks like a pretty decent size to actually get a feel of how this will work. I reckon you could probably use this for a week. So I'm gonna give that a go. Pretty happy with this sample size. You can definitely try that out. And the next two ones are probably my favourites. So I'll start off with this, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I really wanted to try this out. And the sample they give here is, it's 5 mils, but look at that size, and it's actually in a glass bottle, which is like pretty decent. So it just comes with a little spray as well, and for a sample size this is like really nice packaging. But yeah, just on the card, it's infused with electrolytes. This supercharged primer refreshes, hydrates and primes skin. Apply before your makeup to make your look last, or on top throughout the day to rehydrate. So I'm probably going to try use this as a primer water and not really on top. You know what, actually I'm going to try both and see if this does really do anything for your makeup. So this one is a nice hefty sample. And the last item is the one that I was really excited for, and that's the NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment, and this is in the shade Starwoman, which is a blue based red. And I really wanted this one instead of the serum because, you know, I don't go through lip products that quickly. Well, it looks like a medium blue based red, which I don't use often, so it's nice to get a sample of this when you do want to wear something like this every now and then for like going out, and not necessarily every day. And this is so cute. It looks exactly like the actual Powermatte lip pigment packaging, only just shrunk down to a smaller size. Let me just quickly compare this to a full-size one. So this is a full-size NARS Powermatte lip pigment, and this is 5.5 milliliters, and this is 2 milliliters, so it's like a third of the normal size, which isn't too bad actually. It looks really small compared against this, but if you look at the milliliters, that's not too bad, and I don't think I'm going to get through a full-size one, to be honest. So I'm really keen to try this one out, and I'm glad to have a colour like this that I normally wouldn't necessarily buy in a full size. So that's it for my Mecca Beauty Loop level 2 box, and I'm pretty happy with what I got. And you know, especially the makeup products, the primer water and the NARS little liquid lipstick. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you got in your Beauty Loop box, because I'd be curious to see what the other levels received. And also, if you got a level 2 box, did you get the one with the Lancome Genifique one? Because I wanted to know what samples were in that one. I'm pretty happy with this box, but hopefully you also get a good box. So that's all. Thank you. Bye!